two points are there, then direction ratios. Direction ratios will be what? See here, AB is there, AB vector direction ratio. Like A is that 5 comma 5 comma lambda. B is what? Minus 1 comma 3 comma 2. If A is x1 y1, see here, A is x1 y1 z1, B is x2 y2 z2, then their direction ratios DRs are x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. These are the direction ratios. So what are the direction ratios of AB? I am writing direction ratios of AB here. Direction ratios of AB will be what here? Minus 1, minus 5. Right? And what I can write next? क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3 minus 5. And another one 2 minus lambda. So direction ratios you can write like this symbol. Okay, you can write like this also, otherwise you normally write minus 6 minus 2 minus lambda are the direction ratios of AB. Okay, AB vector. Now same thing, that is also what I did now, subtraction only I did that time also, same thing. Now you got AB direction ratios. Now we will find BC direction ratios. Now what are the direction ratios of BC? Direction ratios of BC will be what? Tell me BC direction. Minus 4 minus, see x2 minus x1. x2 is what here? Minus 4. Minus x1 is what here? Minus 1. That is only, vector also same only. Vector and here no change. Both are same. Okay, I think that process also correct, this process also correct. Both are same. Now here minus 4 minus of minus 1, 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus of 2. वही आए थे ना हमको, क्या आया? माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. This is only I got, na? So these are the direction ratios. See here, now what I have done is a small thing here. If two vectors are collinear, then their components are proportional. I have to take proportional. So what I have to do here, same vectors also, vector concept also you can use it same. Vector कैसा आएगा? AB vector, OB minus OA. BC vector, OC minus OB. You have got the two vector or direction ratios. Now if they are collinear, then the direction ratios are proportional. Direction ratios are what? Proportional. Proportional means what I can write here? Minus 6 by minus 3. Minus 6 by minus 3 is equal to minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to 2 minus lambda by minus 4. I can equate this. Now equate any one of them. Either you want to get the lambda, you equate these both or these both, any one of them. So here if I equate this, 2 minus lambda by 4 is equal to minus 2 by minus 1, minus minus gets cancelled. Now what I get here? 1 into this 2 minus lambda is equal to 4 to the 8. So minus lambda is equal to 8 minus 2. Minus lambda is equal to minus 6. So lambda value is how much? 6. Any एक मिनट देखो, इसमें तो मैंने गलत कर नहीं है ना? इधर माइनस, अच्छा माइनस 4, ओके. तो इधर आएगा माइनस 8, तो माइनस 10 सही है ना? आंसर सेम है. हाउएवर द सेम, राइट. So lambda is equal to 10 you are getting, right? Lambda is 10. See here, section formula क्या आता है? सुनो. A is a vector. See here, सुनो first सुनो. इसमें के section formula is what? Suppose you have here A vector, A point. You have here B point. Okay, this is B point, that is A point. If these 2 points, if you join, you get a line segment. And it's here is the origin. You suppose here is the origin. If I join OA, this is the OA vector, OA position vector. If I join OB, this is the OB vector. Okay, these two vectors joining line, means this is the A vector, this is the B vector. These two vectors joining line segment is divided by another vector R, OR. If this is dividing in the ratio m is to n, then this point, this vector R is, this point R is can be written as, this vector R is can be written as m times of B vector. See, m times of B, this is B vector, this is A, okay, m times B plus n times A upon m plus n is the formula. M times B plus n times A by m plus n. So this is, you have the vector, like in line segment 2D you have learned, na? In straight lines, section, internal divisional point formula. Same wise in vectors also same. So AB is a line segment, A is this vector, B is this vector, R is another vector which is dividing in the ratio m is to n internally, then the formula is that. If this is externally divides, means outside, this point is outside divides. If the point divides outside, then the formula R is equal to mb vector minus na vector upon m minus n. Like section formula, you know, na? Likewise this. Okay, note down that, we'll do the problems. Sure. Listen to me now. Based on that section formula, this question. What is this question says? A, B, C are the position vector. A, B, C are the position vectors. Is saying that the points A, B, C respectively such that 3 times of A vector plus 5 times of B vector is equal to 8 times of C vector. Find the ratio in which C divides AB. Okay, that is the question they are asking. Now what to do here? C divides is asked. Like is R divides, R is equal to what was that? See here, this is the A and this was the B point. A is the position vector, this was the B is the position vector. R divides in the ratio m is to n, then we write as R vector, this R vector is equal to m times of B vector plus n times of A vector by m plus n we will use, right? We used this one, right? Same way here. What do you do here now? Now what do you do here? 8 times of C vector, can I write as 3A vector plus 5B vector? Then C vector is equal to 3A vector plus 5B vector by 8. So C vector is equal to 3A vector plus 5B vector upon, can I write this is 3 plus 5? Can I write 3 plus 5? So if I write 3 plus 5, if you compare this one with this one, what is m and what is m times of B vector plus n times of A vector. इधर देखो इधर m is to n, m times of B vector, n times of A vector. तो इधर क्या है सर? We can write B is, C vector is equal to what we can write? 5 times of B vector plus 3 times of A vector by 5 plus 3. Now this is the proper way. Because this is C now. Now you have here A, you have here B, this is A vector, this is B vector. Now this R is acting as C. So I should get this into B vector is m is to n. So the answer is 5 is to 3, not 3 is to 5. Don't do this mistake. So what we can write as C divides AB in the ratio 5 is to 3, not 3 is to 5. So this is asked in July 2018. The 2018 question, HSC. This question. The coordinates of the point which divides the line segment AB. A is the vector here. A. 2 comma minus 6 comma 8. This is the A point. This is the B point. Minus 1 comma 3 comma minus 4. Okay. This point is divides here. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment in the ratio, internally in the ratio 1 is to 3. You have to find this point. Let us take this point is something r, and we are going to find the coordinates of this internal point. So r is equal to what we can write here? R vector is equal to what we can write? So this is the A vector, position vector you should write first. So A vector, that is A vector is equal to what? 2i cap, position vector, means with joining with O. This is will be joined with where? Origin. So it will be joined from here, it will be joined from here. This is the A vector, this is the B vector, and this is the OR vector. So what do you do here now? Shh. Stop it. So OA vector, that is A vector is equal to 2i cap minus 6j cap plus 8k cap. So I am writing board wise how to write. Now B vector is equal to what? B vector is equal to what? Minus I cap plus 3j cap plus minus 4k cap. This is minus you have. A vector wrote, B vector I wrote. Now what I can write here? R vector is equal to 1 into formula. Formula is what? R is equal to what? M into B vector plus N into A vector by M plus N formula. Right? So M is what here? 1. N is what here? 3. 1 into A vector. A vector, that is 2i cap minus 6j cap plus 8k cap. Okay, plus N. N is what here? 3. 3 into B vector. B vector is what? Minus I cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap. This is divided by 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. Understood? M into B vector ही. अच्छा एक ही आ गया, sorry. M into B vector, sorry. See here, M into B vector here. M is what here? M is 1. 1 into B vector. Minus I cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap. Okay, plus 3 into A vector. 2i cap minus 6j cap plus 8k cap. So what I get? R vector is equal to what I get here? See, minus 1 plus, see here, this is you multiply 3 2s are 6 and this is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 6, 5. You have to write components, right? Minus 1, this is 6. So minus 5 plus 6 is how much? 5i cap. So can I write this is 5i cap? And here plus 3, and you want to write, you write the steps, sir. Board में लिखना ही पड़ता है. I plus 3j minus 4k cap plus 3 2s are 6i cap minus 3 6 are 18j cap plus 3 24k cap divided by 4. So R vector is I am getting here. R vector is equal to, so 6 minus 1, that is 5i cap, minus plus 3 minus 8 minus 15j cap. Here minus 4 plus 24 is plus 20k cap divided by 4. So this is the R vector you got. R vector what I got? R vector is equal to, I got 5 by 4 I cap minus 15 by 4 j cap plus 20 by 4 k cap. So the point, he asked the coordinates. So coordinates of R will be what here? If I take R coordinates will be, coordinates I will write as 5 by 4 comma minus 15 by 4 comma 20 by 4. This will be cancelled 5 times. So is any other things cancelled? No. 5 by 4 comma minus 15 by 4 comma 5 is the required coordinates. These are the required coordinates. See, volume of parallel pipe, yesterday I explained, you do it. These are 2017 questions. So this is already explained yesterday, you can do it. Now down one I will explain. Using the vector method, find the incenter of the triangle whose vertices are given. So let us take the vertices for triangle shape. For triangle shape, P is what they given 0, 4, 0. Listen to me this carefully. Q is what here 0, 0, 3 they given. R is they given 0, 4, 3 they given. And they are saying to find the altitude. If you draw this altitude, the intersection of altitudes will be orthocenter. Okay, in center they ask. Sorry. So angular bisectors of this, angular bisector of this, angular bisector of this, the intersecting point is the in center. So this in center is asking to find. So in center point you have to find. For this what is required? This is the formula. In center is equal to x into p vector, position vector, plus y into q vector. Like this is the formula. So now what I do here, I will find the position vectors first. Now p vector is what? 0, 4, 0. Q vector is what? 0, 0, 3. So p position vector will be what? Position vector of p. Position vector, yes. Position vectors. P vector is equal to, P vector will be equal to 4i cap. 4j cap. है ना? I and k zeros. 4j cap. And next q position vector is equal to q position vector small q. See here, you have to imagine from origin you are joining this. So small p vector and small q. Small q vector will be what? 3k cap. Right? 3k cap. now इधर देखो, सुनो फर्स्ट, इसको समझो, है ना. इसके ऊपर मैंने the main these model I have made one board paper also in JEE, you know, JEE when I taught at that time video, this related one boards also have shared. I will share that is important. So now you have to understand this point. P vector is 4j cap, Q position vector is 3k cap, R position vector is what is R position vector? 4j cap plus 3k cap. Now listen here, I need the distance of this. So first I will find PQ vector, then I will find QR vector, then I will find PR vector, means all vectors I will find here. Are you getting what I said? हम क्या करेंगे? PQ vector, QR vector, PR vectors we will find. So then we will find the magnitude of that. So magnitude will give you length, this one. This length will give you. Then that we will multiply, we will get the answer. Simple. Very simple it is. Okay, you have learned in straight lines, in center formula. What is the in center formula? In straight lines. That is only this, same thing. What is the formula? ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 by a plus b plus c. So A, B, C है ना, वो they are magnitude, they are length. So you need to find this length. That A is this here, that A, B, C here acting as X, Y, Z. That A, B, C here acting as X, Y, Z. So what you have to find? X, Y, Z. If you find, already P, Q are there, so no problem. So what you have to find here now? X, Y, Z. For x, y, z, what I required here, I have to find these vectors now. Now tell me what is PQ vector? PQ vector. चलो अभी PQ कर रहा हूँ. First I do PQ. PQ vector is equal to, see, look at here. PQ vector is equal to Q vector minus P vector. So what is Q vector here? Tell me. 3k cap minus 4j cap. So I got this is PQ vector. Now I find the magnitude of PQ. Magnitude of PQ will be what? Under root of, magnitude of this will be what? Minus 4 square plus 3 square. Then 4 square is how much? 16. 3 square is how much? 9. Square root of how much? 25. Square root of 25 is how much? 5. So this length I got as square root of 16 plus 9 is equal to 5. Let us take, according to here formula, we take this PQ distance is something x. You can take A also. You can take anything. So we got this. Now PQ we got, right? PQ you got. Now what I do here? QR, PR. So QR you find it. QR is equal to what here? QR vector is equal to R vector minus Q vector. Okay, R vector minus Q vector. What is R vector here? 4j cap plus 3k cap minus 3k cap. है ना? So what I am going to get here? This is cancel out. I get how much? 4j cap. So magnitude of QR will be how much? Magnitude of QR will be how much? QR vector will be under root of 4 square. So I am going to get here 4. So QR is equal to 4. Now what I am going to find now? PR. PR vector is equal to what? PR vector is equal to what? R vector minus P vector. R vector is what here? 4j cap plus 3k cap minus P vector 4j cap. So 4j cap, this is cancel out. So 3k cap I got. This is equal to 3k cap na? PR vector. Now what is the magnitude of PR vector? Magnitude of PR vector is under root of 3 square. So how much that is? 3. है ना? So magnitude पता है ना? Under root of 0 square plus 3 square plus 0 square ना? I component is 0. So 0 square. J component is 0. So 0 square plus K component is 3 square. So you got PR this one. Now we have to find in center. In center is equal to what I can write? In center. In center H is equal to I is equal to anything you can use. I, H, anything. I is equal to, I can write here is X into, X is here. X क्या है? 5. 5 into P vector. What is P vector here? P vector 4j. 4j. Okay, plus y is ये सेकंड वाला है ना? ये सेकंड ये y है और ये क्या है? ये z है. तो 4 into q vector. What is q vector? 3k cap. 3k cap plus z कितना है? 3. So 3 into r vector. What is r vector here? 4j plus 3k cap. 4j plus 3k cap divided by x plus y plus z. What is x here? अरे x कितना है? 5. y कितना? 4. z कितना? 3. So 5 plus 4 plus 3. 5 plus 4 plus 3. This is the in center. So in center I is equal to what you got here? 9. ये I है क्या? J है? J है ना? 9j plus 12k plus 12j plus 9k divided by 5 plus 3 12. So what I get here? I is equal to 12 plus 9. हाँ? 5 was a 20 है ना? 20j. 32j. 32j cap plus 21k cap. 21k cap divided by 12. Right? That is simplified. इसको कैंसिल करो, सिंप्लीफाई करो, वही फाइनल आंसर. इसको कैंसिल करो सर. See something you did mistake. Check it once. इंपॉर्टेंट है. सी इसके अपोजिट इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. इसके अपोजिट जो भी है इसका मल्टीप्लाई. आप x लिए तो x, कोई भी लिए तो कोई. x इंटू पी वेक्टर, y इंटू आर होना है, y इंटू क्यू वेक्टर, तो q इंटू z आना पड़ेगा. सी ऑपोजिट होना चाहिए. p ऑपोजिट x, q ऑपोजिट y, r ऑपोजिट z. नहीं है तो इधर फार्मूला चेंज करना पड़ेगा आपको. उसका ऑपोजिट देखो, सिर्फ इसका ऑपोजिट देखो. ऐसा दिस इंटू दिस ऑपोजिट. सो इन सेंटर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? इन सेंटर इज इक्वल टू ऑपोजिट. यू हैव टू सी हियर है ना? x इंटू दिस. x कितना था इधर? 5. 5 इंटू 4 i क्या? 4j, x 4 है. अच्छा QR is how much? QR is x. Okay, QR is x. So we will do one thing, sir. First we'll find QR is how much? 4, right? PR is how much? PR is 3. PR is 3 na? And PQ is 5, right? Now you can apply. So X is what? X is what here? X is 4. 4 into 4j plus Y is what here? 3 na? 3 into Q means what? 3k plus Z is 5 into what? Opposite 4j plus 3k divided by this is x is how much? 4 plus 3 plus 5. So you go 4 4s are 16j plus 3 3s are 9k plus 9k plus 4 5s are 20j plus 5 3s are 15k होगा. तो 36 by 12. So what do you get here? 36j plus 24k divided by 12. तो इसको डिवाइड करें तो 12 टेबल में कैंसिल हो जाएगा सर. 12 टेबल में सेपरेट किया तो 12 3s are 12 4s are. So 3j plus 2k is your answer. So X in center will be what? In center will be I is 0. See here, you got in center is equal to how much? You got in center is equal to is equal to you are getting 3j plus 2k cap. It means center will be what? 0, 3, 2 is the answer. 0, 3, 2.